So I'm getting close to cutting it. So I'm just gonna, yeah, I turned the camera off on purpose because I think it's gonna take a little long. It took maybe 5 minutes. So yeah, I'll show you when I'm done. So yeah. Well, let's go off for. I think that's pretty much how it's gonna cut. So this is how much was in there. This just came out because I was sick. That's how much was in there. So now this is what the ball looks like. Now I can't wear fluffy pom-pom no more. So now I think I'm gonna take a step further, see if I could. For now, I'll bring in the big guns. I think I'll cut it a little more. I think I could cut a little more. So yeah, stripping out. I got it, guys. I will just cut it, cut all the through. Oh, this is not expecting. Let's see if I can take the whole thing out. Definitely not expecting. Look. I never knew I was going to get this far. Apparently I did. So, I made this video a little bit different because I thought you guys would like videos a lot like this instead of all my other videos. So I thought you guys would like these ones better. Okay. I'll show you guys in a minute. It's so, oh my god. So, oh no, I have lint all over me. So, this is what the pom-pom looks like. I'm flipping inside out. And that's inside outside. Let's give you a close-up. That's the inside of a pom-pom, and that's the outside when you cut it. And this is what's inside a pom-pom. Foam. Wow. I thought it felt like a balloon. I guess not. It's just like regular memory. It's just like regular foam in a package. It's not memory foam. It's just like foam from the packaging. Like when you get a box or something, like the little peanut pieces. That's it. It's, or it's not. It's like a peanut. Look, and this like a little egg. I'm really close up. Really close up. Okay, I'm going to take this step further and cut a snake. So apparently I did not need the big scissors. That's what's inside. Solid. It's like a minute. So that was a big mystery. I did not know they would be in there. And like, that's so lame. I wanted something to ooze out. Yeah, these cut some. Let's see if I can cut it. That was my mouth. You guys didn't see. Oh. I was gonna Okay guys, so I hope you like these kind of videos better than I usually do. Remember to like, share, subscribe for daily videos. Bye bye. Bonus question. What's your favorite brand? My favorite is Claire's. Bye.